Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at Star Wars the card game, Escape from Hoth Force Pack. This is from 2013 from Fantasy Flight Games. It has objective cards in it, numbered 64 through 68. This is not a standalone. You will need the living card game base set to play, but these Force Packs are really cool. And the card quality tends to be pretty good from Fantasy Flight, so we'll open these up and see what we've got here. There are 60 cards in here to add to the decks. If I can get the stupid thing open. What I really liked about it was they did put these cardboard inserts in here to protect the cards. I thought that was a nice touch. Let me get this cellophane open and we'll take a look here. Usually there's a pull tab on here, but I can't always get that to work when there is, but I don't see one on here. Alright, there's always a blue and red deck. We'll start with the blue deck, then work our way to the red deck. So this one actually looks like the blue deck's a little smaller. Yeah, blue deck's a little smaller this time around. So let's see what the light side has. Battle for Hoth. Buried Outpost. Bright Hope. Torian Far. Han Solo. Evacuation Procedures. Then we're back to Battle for Hoth. Buried Outpost. Bright Hope. Torian Far. Han Solo. Fly. Not part of the deck. Evacuation Procedure. Then we have Heat of Battle. Battle for Hoth. Tauntaun. Snowspeeder. Luke Skywalker. A Hero's Resolve. Oops. Then we're back to Heat of Battle. Battle of Hoth. Tauntaun. Snowspeeder. Luke Skywalker. And lastly, A Hero's Resolve. Now some of this art is classic art. I don't know how much of it's new, how much of it's really old, but it's really nicely done. Always good quality art out of Fantasy Flight. Alright, let's go to the dark side deck. See what we've got there. We've got Vast Resources. Another Vast Resources. Third Vast Resources. A fourth one. Fifth one. And then we've got Endless Reserves. These all have numbers in the bottom. I'm not entirely clear on what some of them mean. Here we've got another Vast Resources. And you can see it's got a little AT-AT on there for telling you what storyline it's part of. And these are I think these are the Hoth ones. So next up we've got another Vast Resources. This one says 5 on it. Vast Resources, it says 4 down there. Vast Resources 3. Vast Resources 2. Then Endless Reserves. Next up, we've got Target of Opportunity, Remote Hideout, something I can't pronounce, Class Assault Fighter, another one. Then we've got Dengar, Hunt Them Down, Target of Opportunity, Remote Hideout, the Assault Fighter, another Assault Fighter, we've got Dengar, we've got Hunt Them Down, next up we have Aggression, then we have a Sith Holocron. Oh, sacrifice this enhancement to reduce the cost of your next burst card you play by... You play this by phase 3. Oh, no. Next phase, you play this card phase by 3. ISBN Liaison. Another Liaison. The Executor. Oops. Then we have the Executor Arrives. It's like a Superstar Destroyer on there. I like the images, it's really cool. Aggression. Sith Holocron. ISB Liaison. ISB Liaison. The Executor. And finally, the Executor Arrives. Okay, and that is what is inside the 2013 Escape from Hoth Force Pack for the Star Wars card game. It does have objective cards 64 through 68, and there are 60 cards in the box. Really nice quality, like everything Fantasy Flight puts out. Well, most everything. So I'm real impressed with it. Great quality stuff. Highly recommended, especially if you're playing the Star Wars card game, obviously, because you have to have that to play it. But if you're doing the Hoth scenarios, this is definitely a must-have. You can find these reasonably priced right now. I'm not sure how they're going to be over 2021 and beyond, but in 2020, they're pretty reasonably priced. I've seen these go for about $5. So if you're looking to add on to your game, this looks like a pretty cool pack. So I'm real impressed with the quality, as always, and they haven't let me down yet. So, great addition. But you've heard my thoughts on it. We've seen what's inside. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for coming out and listening to the show. Thank you for the support. And if you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description to my Streamlabs, Patreon, and Teespring store. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.